Hi everyone! What if I told you that you could make money without ever doing a job? Yes, no boss, no office, and no boring 9 to 5. Just smart and simple ways to earn from your home, your phone, or even while you're still a student. If you're curious about how this works, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now, and stay with me till the end. I'll walk you through real ways people are earning today. 1. Sell your knowledge as a service. You don't need a degree to teach something you're good at, know how to draw, good at math, speak English fluently, offer online tutoring or small video lessons. Platforms like Teachable or even YouTube Shorts can help you start. You'll be surprised how many people are ready to pay just to learn a simple skill. 2. Sell digital products. You create something once and earn from it again and again. That's the magic of digital products. Ebooks, printable planners, resume templates, and coloring pages all sell well. And the best part, no delivery. You just upload and get paid whenever someone downloads your item. Point 3. Become a copywriter. Companies need catchy ads and slogans. That's what copywriters do. They write simple and creative lines that make people want to buy. Even big brands hire them. You can learn this skill and earn from home. AI tools like ChatGPT help in writing faster. You just need to improve them and give them a human touch. 4. Sell Feet Pics Online. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. Many companies buy foot pictures for ads. You can take clean photos using your phone and sell them online. Websites like Feet help you sell them after signing up. It's private and legal. 5. Start your niche blog. Blogging can turn into money. Pick one topic called a niche, like cooking, tech, travel, or health. Start a blog on WordPress and write helpful articles. With time, you can earn from ads, products, or paid posts. Wait a second. If you're serious about earning money without a job, then don't stop here. Visit my blog, spyopinion.com, where I share detailed guides, tips, and the latest money-making ideas you won't find anywhere else. The link is in the description. Go check it out after this video. 6. Offer dog walking services. Love pets? Then this one's for you. People need help walking their dogs. You can sign up on apps like Wag or Rover. They check your background and connect you with dog owners near you. 7. Flip websites. Websites are like digital property. You can buy a site, improve it, and sell it for profit. Use websites like Flipper or Empire Flippers. Improve SEO and traffic. Then sell it at a higher price. 8. Sell Canva premium templates. If you're good at design, make templates using Canva Pro. People need Instagram posts, posters, and resumes all designed. You can sell your templates on freelancing sites like Fiverr or Etsy. They are easy to create and easy to sell. 9. Start guest posting services. Guest posting means writing articles on others' websites. Many new brands want to get noticed, so they pay for this. You can find sites with good traffic and offer posting space, or resell guest post slots. Use platforms like Adsy or Ikify to begin. 10. Do user testing jobs. Companies test websites and apps before launching them. They pay people to find problems. You can sign up on testing platforms, try the app or site, give feedback, and get paid. If you're learning something new here, take 1 second to click like and subscribe now. More tips are on the way. 11. Proofread and edit AI content. AI writes fast, but it's not always perfect. Bloggers need humans to fix grammar, tone, and style. You can offer this service on Fiverr or Upwork. No big skills needed, just basic English and focus. 12. Become a TikTok influencer. If you love being in front of a camera, TikTok can be your income source. Choose what you love: cooking, crafts, skincare, or funny videos. Post regularly, grow followers, and get paid for promotions or product reviews. 13. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube pays for views and ads. Start a channel on anything tech, teaching, gaming, or daily life. Keep uploading quality content and stay consistent. Soon, you'll be able to earn from ads and sponsors. 14. Sell handmade products on Etsy. If you're good with your hands, make things like jewelry, crafts, or home decor. Etsy is a great place to sell handmade items. People love unique and custom products, and they pay well, too. That's it. 14 real ways to make money without a job. Some are fun, some are easy, and many can grow into full-time businesses. If you found even one good idea in this video, Then please subscribe, and join me here for more smart earning tips every week. Comment below which idea you want to try. I read every comment. Take care and start your journey today.